The fashion industry is one of the worst polluters on the planet, and denim is by far one of the worst offenders when it comes to water waste. With this problem in mind, Adam Taubenfliegel, designer and co-founder of Triarchy, examined his company's supply chain, restructuring the manufacturing process with sustainable vendors to deliver an amazing product without destroying the planet. He designs to create beautiful things so that through Triarchy, he can create beautiful, healthy communities full of people who care for one another and their shared resources. Triarchy's mission is a simple one: to conserve our planet's most important resource by reducing the massive water consumption of our planet's most beloved piece of clothing.